Hello students, hello viewers, welcome all for the 2 weeks internship, 2 weeks training on PLC, HMI and SCADA for the students of EC, BGS, Polytechnic. In this video, uh, I'm going to demonstrate how to use SCADA software to control a single LED using the start and stop button switch. And also you are going to explore the features, the how to familiarize with working with SCADA software. Also you are going to learn from this video. So now we'll go to the project definition. Okay, this is the first program into the introduction program using the SCADA software, that is Delta SCADA software. The problem definition is there is a LED, single LED, and there is a start button switch is there and stop button switch is there. Okay, so by operating the start switch briefly, that means we are going to use push button here. LED should be on continuously, and LED should be off upon operating stop button. So this is a simple program, and here I have taken the address M0, M1, M0 for start, M1 for stop, and M2 for LED. I am using all our memory bits here. Why? Because the title of the project is Control of LED using this simulator device in SCADA environment. So that means we are not using PLC hardware here. Assume that you don't have PLC hardware, but still to some extent we can use SCADA software to simulate the certain applications. Okay, so that is what I am going to demonstrate in this video now. So the steps involved in this here is first I'll use the SCADA software and first develop the screen, and then that means by developing the screen you can able to understand how many variables are there in this application. So and you can categorized as inputs as well as output. So in this project there are two inputs, start and stop, and there is one LED output is there. Okay, so let me do that. Let me start with the SCADA software. After installing the SCADA software, you will have a DIA view development icon. Okay, so double click on that. Now software is being opened. So here the list of projects, what projects you have done, it is listed here. Okay, so now I'll do it from the very beginning. So I'll go to the new project, click on new project and type the name of the project. Say for example the name of the project I like to have, here space is not allowed, so you have to type the underscore. Only special character is underscore is allowed. So control of LED, that is the title of the project I would like to give. That is, you can also use like simulator. Okay, click on OK, then take empty one, click empty screen. Okay, then click on OK. So now the project title, that is control of LED using simulator, this is a project, this is my project. So double click on it. In the right side, see here, same title is there. Okay, so these are all the elements belong to the project called control of LED using simulator. Okay, so here very first step is you have to select the device. So click on the IO device, right click on the IO device, first left click and then right click. New device, take a new device. In the new device, select the simulator. In simulator, you just select the simulator, then click on OK. Then click on OK. No need to change anything. And here you take the memory. Okay, click on OK. Registers as memory. So this is what the device section. In the device section you have selected here, but before adding variables in the device, this is now the device 0 is device, so we are controlling device 0 using SCADA. Okay, first of all we should design the window. Okay, so in the window, go to the window, select the window and right click, add new window. So for example, say I don't want this grid view. Okay, later on I can switch off this. I'll show you how to do that. Go to the gallery here. In the bottom left corner there is a toolbox is there. Right now toolbox is there. Go to the gallery here, click on gallery, and here uh, there is a button switch. In the button switch, scroll down here, button 2. I'll take this. First select this and then select the area. It's not drag and drop or drop. Select the button and then select the area. So in that area that button is going to fit there. Okay, so this is button 1. I'd like to take 2, so I just copy paste this and then this is my placement. It's okay. See, designing of the screen, it's purely depends on your creativity and your likings. Okay, next I would like to take the indicating instrument. Go to the indicating instrument and take the LED, select LED and then go to the area and then select the area. Okay, so this is what I have designed. Okay, but I like to add some text, so go to the toolbox. In the toolbox there is a text section is there. Select and then area, select the area, and then here in the right bottom there is a text option is there. Select it, and in the content you have to type whatever content you want. You can type it. Say for example I want like start. This is start. What I'll do is I'll copy this text and then paste it here, and content you just change it. I want it as stop, like that. Copy again, paste it, and here I'll change the content as LED. So now I design the screen. Okay, but I don't want the background grid here. There is an option here, grid display. You just unmark this box, then that grid will go away. And if you want to change the background color, go to the background. There is a 3 dot option is there. 3 dot option, there you can select the background. So for example select gray. So this is how it looks like, and if you want light gray, that's also possible. See here, this is how you can make the improvements in the screen. Okay, after designing the screen now you are understanding that in the problem, so there are 2 inputs are there, one output is there. 2 inputs and 1 output is there. Okay, so now go to the variable dictionary, double click on the variable dictionary, add the variables here. So how many variables are there? 3. So I'm going to add, first one is for example start, and type of the variable is digital. It is having only 2 states, 0 or 1, true or false. Again one more variable, that is stop. One more variable, output is also digital. So 3 variables I have declared in the variable dictionary. Okay, now what we have to do is we go to the device 0 and add the variables. So that is start. What is the address? Address is, there is a 3 dot option is there, right? Select it and then go to the memory and go to the bool option. There's a bool, that is memory bit 0, that is M0. I have taken M0 for start. And associate variables, nothing but the variables you declared in the variable dictionary. So 3 dot option is the right, select it. Okay, before doing that, you take another 2 variables, that is stop, memory bit is 1, that is M1, and last one is LED, that memory bit is 2. Now associate variables, click on 3 dots and then select start variable. That means we are linking device variables to variable dictionary, that is stop, and LED variable is associated with LED. Okay. So variables are linked in the device 0. Window is designed, variable dictionary is there. Since we're not using the PLC hardware, so PLC program is not available here. But so we have to write the script here. Okay. So screen is available, but how it should work, that code is written in the script. Okay. So now here in the right side of the screen, just scroll down and go to the script here and condition script. Select, double click on the condition script, then go to add the script. Here first you have to link the expression. So for what device you are writing the script, that is device 0, right? So click on 3 dots here and then device 0 selected, so it should appear like this. Then OK, click on OK. Fine. So now finally we are writing the script. Okay, so before that, in the screen we have to do some exercises here. That means click on the button here, click on the button in the, and this screen you can expand. See here in the event, right bottom, there is a event option. After selecting the push button, go to the event. Here see, when you operate, what should happen? Okay, so that we have to do it here. For example, it is a left and up and down switch. Okay, left button or right button, like that. Mouse control, what you want it. Okay, I want to have a left mouse button switch control, should be linked with this button. Okay, so go to the left button down. That means when you operate it, the SCADA software will assume that it is a true. So that you have to link it. Okay, so click on 3 dots here, and then in the variable section, go to the object and then take variable, that is start variable, should be true. That means when you operate the switch, means when you press down, it will assume as a true. Okay, then compile it. So now compile success. Save and exit option is there. Like that, up. That means when you release the switch, it will come up. So that state is assumed as false. Same, select the same start switch, start variable, and then equal to false. Okay, compile it, save and exit. So same procedure repeated for stop. Select stop button, go to left button down, select variable as stop is equal to true. Come check it, then save and exit. And the up, left button up, that is variable is again stop is equal to false. Compile, save and exit. For LED, double click on the LED and then go to animation here. In the animation, the last, scroll down, last one is the light color brush. So there 3 dots are there, just click on that, and here 3 dots are there, click on that. Here go to the variable dictionary and then select LED, double click on it, see here, and then click on OK. Variable.LED, this should be there. So and then click on OK. So state 0 red color will be there, state 1 green color will be there. This also you can change. Okay. Click on OK. So this is we have done. So screen is completed now. We have selected the switches and the LED, and then necessary linkings are done. Variables are linked to the screen push buttons and LEDs. Now go to the condition script. In this condition script, in the script content, 3 dots are there. Click on that. Now we have to type the code here. Script we have to write. That means, so what is our requirement? If start button is operated, LED should be on. If stop button is operated, LED should be off. So type it. If variable dot start, see here, you can select it here. If variable start is equal to true, then our requirement is what? Variable dot LED is equal to true, and end the instruction, that is end if next is if variable dot stop is equal to true, then variable dot, that is LED should be false, that is end if. So compile it. So it's success. So if start variable is true, then LED is on. If stop variable is true, then LED is false. This is what the simple program. Save and exit. So now we have done all the necessary things. So only thing is go to the run. So now we are running the SCADA screen. Go to run option and then ignore. So you should get the animation now. See there, start is there, stop is there, LED is there. LED status now it is 0, so it is in red color. So when you operate the switch here, start button switch, LED is on. It's continuously, it shows the state number 1, that is state true. So green color is there. When you operate the switch stop, it's going to off. Okay, so this is how you can make the simulation using the SCADA screen without any PLC hardware. Also some application can be designed using the script. We can program it. Okay, I'll show once again, start and stop. So Windows D, just press it so that you will come out of the SCADA screen, and then SCADA screen is running. You can close it, just close that window. So development window, it is available here. This is a communication one. This is the development screen. Okay, this is a window. So script, I'll give it in the video. The script program. This is a variable list, and then how to link the variables to the device 0, and then this is script content is given here. Okay, so this is all about this video. Thank you everyone. If you have any questions, you can put it in the comment section. We'll have a discussion. Okay, thank you everyone. Thank you very much. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel. Thank you.